Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ridwan Shah. I'm from class 4E with my student ID 3 2024 16 0 and 38. So today I will describe about my course 8, the mobile programming course, which is lab activity 6 with the title daily budget application. So let's move to the VS Code. So today I will explain the three main pages. The first page is home page, a transaction page, and a transaction controller. So I will describe how the home page, transaction page, and transaction controller Dart will make the application. So this daily budget application, will help users manage their daily finance by recording income and expense transaction, the calculating the current balance and displaying the transaction history. First, I will explain the homepage. This is the main page of the application and is responsible for displaying all financial information. When the application starts, it automatically loads all transaction data from the database. While the data is loading, a loading indicator is displayed to inform the users the application is processing the request. At the top of the page, there is a balance card that shows the current balance, total income, and total expense. These values are calculated automatically based on the recorded transaction. Below the balance card, there is the transaction section where all transactions are displayed in a scoreable list. Yeah. Each transaction shows its title, transaction date, and amount of the money. Income transaction are displayed in green, while expense transaction displayed in red, making them will easy to distinguish. Users can also refresh the transaction list by pulling screen down to remove a transaction. Users simply swipe the transaction card to the left and the application asks for confirmation before deleting it. At the bottom right corner, there is an add button that navigates users to the add transaction page. Okay, I think that's all I can describe about the home page. So this is the add transaction page. This page will allow users to create a new financial transaction. So users first choose the transaction type, either expense or income. Then they enter the transaction title and the amount. After completing the form, users press the Save Transaction button to store the transaction. Okay, I think that's all the algorithm for the transaction page. So let's move to the Add Transaction Controller. The Add Transaction Controller will handle the business logic of the application. When the Save button is pressed, the controller first validates the input. This. it checks that the title is not empty and that the amount is valid number greater than 0. If the input is valid, the controller creates a new transaction object, save it to the database through the budget service, and displays a success message. Finally, the application returns to the homepage where the transaction list and balance summary are automatically updated. Okay, I think that's all I can describe about the logic, the transaction controller. Now I will demonstrate how the application works. I already run the application, so this is the first look of the daily budget application. So this is the home page of the daily budget application. At the top, we can see the current balance card, which displays the current balance, total income, and total expenses. Since there are no transactions yet, all values are currently 0. Below the balance cards is the transaction section. Because no transaction have been recorded yet, the application displays a message saying no transaction yet. So to add the new transaction, I will tap the add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Yeah, like this. Now the add transaction page is displayed. So this is the add transaction page. First, I select the transaction type. For this demonstration, I will choose income because the current balance is 0. Like this. Next, I will enter the transaction titles. So, working. The title is working. The amount of the income of money will be 500,000 rupiah. After filling the required information, I will press the Save Transaction button. So the application validates the input, save the transaction, and automatically will returns to the homepage. So I will press it. Yeah, success, transaction saved. As we can see, the new transaction now appears in the transaction list. The current balance and total income are also updated automatically to reflect the new transaction. If I want to remove this transaction, I simply swipe the transaction card to the left. But I will add the one transaction like this. I will expand something. I will buy some drinks. It's around amount 15,000 rupiah. So I will save the transaction. So like this, it will lower from 500 to 485,000 rupiah. So if I want remove this transaction, so I will remove the drinks transaction. I simply swipe the transaction card to the left like this. Nah, a confirmation dialog will appear, and after confirmation, the transaction is deleted like this. I deleted, so it will be refreshed to the first amount we create. So it will be back to the 500,000 rupiah. So this demonstrates how users can easily add, view, and manage their daily financial transactions using the daily budget application. In conclusion, the daily budget application provides a simple and user-friendly way to record daily income and expenses, monitor the current balance, and manage transaction history efficiently. So I think that's all I can describe about the daily budget application. Thank you for your watching.